Hello everyone, welcome to Brain Training and this is your teacher Naina. So welcome to Swiflearn. Swiflearn is India's most sincere learning destination for the classes 1 to 10. Here we are providing 100% live and interactive classes, personalized attention batch with maximum 6 students. You can find a lot of academic and non-academic interesting topics from here. So book your free trial class today itself and explore the art of learning with Swiflearn. So let's start our brain training program and enjoy all the activities and have fun. Here we go. 2 people played 5 hands of chess. Both of them won same number of games and there was no draw. How is this possible? How is this possible? Let's figure out. I hope you got the answer and here we go. This is only possible if they played with other 2 people. Okay? This is actually for training your logical reasoning power and you are trying your best. And here, proceeding up the staircase, the numbers form a logical sequence. What number belongs on the top step? What is missing over here? S forms a logical sequence and let's find out which one will be on top. Keep trying, you can do it. Let's figure out. You are doing a really good job. Keep trying. And I'll help you over here. The answer is over here. That is 840. Each number is found by multiplying the numbers that corresponding to its step by the number that precedes it. So that is the answer. Well done for finding the logical reason and figuring out the answer as well. Very good. And so this is a quick speed counting. So what is 1000 plus 40 plus 1000 plus 30 plus 1000 plus 20 plus 1000 divided by 10? Let's find the answer. Let's use your mathematical skills and number power. And let's find the answer in a count of 3, 2, 1. You have only 50 seconds. Keep trying. It's very simple. Let's count the digits over here on your left side and subtract it with 10. I hope you got the answer. The answer is 409. Excellent job over here and keep trying. So say out the color instead of reading the words. So here this is a really fun activity and it will help you to train your observation skills and concentration and visual perception. So go ahead. Your time starts now. Let's say out the color instead of the word. Keep trying. Yes. Try to say this in louder voice and quick speed. Good. Keep trying. I hope you can do this activity. You're trying your best. Yes. Amazing job. Almost there. Few more. Yes. Very good. Well done. And which is the heavier? A pound of feathers or a pound of rock? Which one is heavier? You can see in the weighing scale, on top of it, you can see the feather and the rocks. So, which one is heavier? What do you think? I hope you have the answer in your mind and the answer is both weigh a pound. So, both are same. So, who is the culprit? So well done for finding the answer and let's move to your next activity that is over here. A man while looking at a photograph said, "Brothers and sisters have I none." So that man's fathers and son. Who was the person in the photograph? Who's in the photograph? What do you think? Did you get the answer? And let's check the answer. And the answer is that's man's son. Well done. So try to read this question like few more times, then you can figure out the answer. And here, what is the weight of each animal? So you can see over here, 2 bears weigh to 120 kg, a rabbit and the bear 70 kg. So a rabbit and a fox and the bear weighs 90 kg. So let's figure out like what is the weight of each animal. You can use your paper and pen and try to do that. Keep trying. Very good. And I hope you got the answer or try to do this activity at your pace. You can pause the video and try to figure out. Then only you can do it. Good job. Let's check the answer. The answer is over here. If two bears are 120 kg, one bear is 60 kg, right? We already got that one. So a bear and a rabbit are 70 kg, which means the bear is 60 kg and the rabbit is 10 kg. You already got the answer. So since the bear and rabbit are 70 kgs, the weight remaining for the fox is 20 kg. That was a really easy one. Amazing job for that. So thank you everyone. Thank you for coming today. I hope you enjoyed the session and had a lot of fun throughout the session. So you can continue this activity. If you want to get more time to do the activity, please pause while I'm talking and let's figure out the answer and play the button and you can find the answer. Very good job for today. See you at the next session. Till then, bye. Be safe and take care. And if you like the session, please like, comment and share. Thank you everyone.